こんにちは。理工学英語授業11コンピューターハードウェアの概要と関連英語表現講義第1部 Computer Hardware Basic. So, we are going to learn about the basic of computer hardware and a computer system. So, if you look about this screen here you find some components and this makes the computer system. So the CPU, the main memory, the I/O interface, volatile and non-volatile memories, and the secondary storage. This all together makes the computer system. So if you can connect this couple of things in a systematic way, you can build a computer system. Look at here. So this screen says you connected the CPU with the primary memory and the secondary memory and the I/O interface and the network interface together to build the computer system, where the CPU execute the program, the secondary memory store the program, and the primary memory copy the program during execution, and you can see the input and output in the I/O interface. So if you break down this PC, and then you will find this. So look at there. This is the actual picture of the circuit of this MacBook. So inside the MacBook, there are same thing. So you have the CPU, you have the hardware, and you have the main memory and the primary memory and the I/O interface. So that means the physical figure of this laptop or computer is also like this, same as the diagram. Now think about how it works. So as I said, CPU execute the program, and the primary memory first hold the program from the secondary memory. So now we will see an example in the computer how a program execute. Let's move to the program. In this live demonstration, I will show you how a computer program works. The interface here is a typical computer interface, having a lot of programs with different functionality. Among them, I will select a command line to write my program. So what program I will write is basically a simple Python script that says something to the computer to do with. So let's start to make a script. For example, the name of the file is a.py, and I write print welcome to Shimane University into that file. So now I have a script, Python script having some command. That command is well known to the computer. So let's try to run this program using this command line. So the command Python is for telling the computer to use the compiler to run something. And as you know, my file name is a.py. So this command is also a way of interacting with the computer using text. And as I said, if I run the program, it will show welcome to Shimane University. It's execute properly, so the computer understand what I tell him, and computer work accordingly and show me the message according to the script. Now let's go to the slide and explain how it works in hardware and software level. So here you can see a print screen where I took the same thing and 3 lines. So first what I did is generate a Python script and save it into a secondary memory. I'm taking the pointer, it helped. So then I execute the program. That means tell the computer to execute this script, this program. And finally, after executing, we can show the desired output. Welcome to Shimane University. Let's go back to that diagram, hardware diagram. I will show you architectural diagram here. CPU, main memory, interface, and the secondary memory. So once the program is running, so first the program a.py is copied from secondary memory to main memory. After that, this program is executed because the secondary memory is slower and far away from the CPU. And once the program is copied, the CPU executes each line steps of the program according to the program code. So the program code is break down into instruction, and CPU individually process every instruction, and once the coding is finished, is send it to the interface, I mean the display that shows the welcome to Shimane University. This is a very basic flow of computing hardware architecture and the software architecture. So I think you guys understand the basic flow of the computing. Now start scanning this QR code from your smartphone. Pause this screen and check out the question. It's a simple true false answer. Similar question you will find in the Moodle. Not the question, just to answer. So collect all the correct answer, true or false, then submit it on the Moodle. So this is the first thing you have to do here, and after that let's do another assignment which is not related to the QR code but is like, let's move to the desk again. Okay, so hope you enjoy this system and live demonstration how the program works. Now come to the assignment, what you have to do for part 1. So here you can see some keyword that I use to explain this lecture. Please go through all the keyword, and here you will find that is very known to you, right? We have discussed this diagram. What we have to do, try to memory the English word from the dictionary or what I discussed before, and fill out this in English. Please remember, don't copy and paste, or don't. So first try to remember and then fill it out. Okay, so and then submit it Moodle. Also don't forget to submit the QR code answer. So there are 2 answers. The one is fill out this diagram, and the second one is on the QR code. So that's the end of part 1. Let's move to the part 2.